How can we watch Netflix together? Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how you can watch Netflix together. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, watching Netflix together is not possible right from the Netflix app because the Netflix app itself doesn't allow you to share your screen with other people unless you're sharing the password itself. So there's a third-party application that can actually do this, and the name of the app is called Rave. So this is an official application from the Rave company. You can open it up and create an account right away on Rave. And by the way, not only Netflix, you can also actually choose to watch other platforms such as Prime Video and so on. And if someone is streaming something, you can also actually just go ahead and then watch them, right? So let this just go ahead and then open up. Then once you've done that, if you want to start sharing and watching together on Netflix, first of all, make sure to add that person to your friends list, right? So just add them as a friend, make sure and ask them to open the Rave app. Then tap the plus bar and then select Netflix. Now here you have to actually log into your Netflix account, and once you log in, you'll be able to start watching Netflix with your friends by simply inviting them. For example, if you look over here, there are a couple of things that other people have been streaming so far, and you can simply go ahead and then watch with them. These are the public ones, by the way. Otherwise, you can just create your own private link and share them only with your friends. And this way you'll be able to watch together on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.